Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 55 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this device. First, we need to open the menu on our watch. We can do it by pressing and holding the up/menu button. Press and hold it, and after a second or two, the menu should open. Now, you can scroll through the menu by pressing the up or down button, scroll through the menu, find the option called the system, and then press the start/stop button. Now, scroll down, select the time option, press the start/stop, and here you should see the time format option. Make sure it's selected, and press the start/stop. And here we can select between 12 hours and 24-hour format. Select the one you like, then press the start/stop to confirm. And now, when you go back to the watch face, you should see that the time format changed. Okay, and that's how you change the time format on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.